Hey everyone! Today we're going to design a stunning social media ad poster for a product using Canva, a free and super easy to use design tool. Whether you're promoting a product like a gadget, clothing, or anything else, this tutorial will help you create something eye-catching. First, head over to Canva and let's choose the perfect size for our social media ad. From the homepage, click Create a Design and pick either Instagram post 1080 by 1080 pixels or Facebook post 1200 by 628 pixels, depending on where you'll share it. These dimensions are ideal for eye-catching ads. Step 1. Add a sky blue gradient background. Once you've opened your Canva design, let's start with the background. Go to the left sidebar and click on Elements. In the search bar, type Sky Blue Gradient and hit Enter. Scroll through the options and pick a dynamic one. I'm selecting this vibrant gradient here. Click it to add it to your canvas. Then, drag the corners to adjust the size until it fills the entire background. This will replace the default background with a fresh, eye-catching look. Step 2. Add neon cyberpunk elements. Now, let's spice up the design. Head back to the left sidebar and click on Elements again. In the search bar, type Neon Cyberpunk and press Enter. Browse through the cool options that pop up. I'm picking this glowing neon shape to give it that futuristic vibe. Click it to add it to your canvas. Then, drag it into place wherever it looks best in your design. Step 3. Add a circle shadow for a dynamic effect. Go back to the left sidebar and click on Elements. In the search bar, type Shadow and hit Enter. Scroll through until you find a circular shadow. I'm choosing this one for its dynamic look. Click it to add it to the canvas. Then adjust its position and size to create a cool layered effect that makes your design pop. Now let's create a stage for our product. Head to the left sidebar and click on Elements again. In the search bar, type White Podium and press Enter. Look through the options. I'm selecting this sleek white podium to showcase the product. Click it to add it to your canvas. Then, resize and position it where it complements the design, giving your product a clean and professional spotlight. Step 5. Add a watch to the design. Time to bring in our product. Go back to the left sidebar and click on Elements. In the search bar, type Watch and hit Enter. Browse the options. I'm picking this stylish watch to feature in our ad. Click it to add it to the canvas, then drag it onto the white podium we added earlier. Adjust the size and angle if needed to make it look perfectly placed and ready to grab attention. Step 6. Add a shadow for the watch. Let's give our watch some depth. Head back to the left sidebar and click on Elements. In the search bar, type Shadow and press Enter. Look for a shadow that fits. I'm choosing this subtle one to place under the watch. Click it to add it to the canvas. Then position it beneath the watch on the podium. Adjust the size and opacity to make it look natural, giving the watch a lifted, dynamic effect. Step 7. Add casual watch text to the design. Let's add text to highlight our product. On the left sidebar, click on Text and select Add a heading. Type Casual Watch to grab attention. Choose a bold, modern font like Montserrat or Oswald to match the vibe. Adjust the size to make it pop and pick a color. White or a neon shade works great with our cyberpunk style. Position it near the watch, maybe above or below the podium to tie the design together. Now let's add more text to build excitement. Click Text on the left sidebar again and choose Add a subheading. Type New Arrival to let everyone know this is fresh. Change the color. Let's go with a bright neon shade like pink or green to stand out against the sky blue gradient. Next, click on the text, go to Effects at the top toolbar and select Outline. Pick an outline style you like. I'm choosing a thin contrast. Adjust the size and place it below Casual Watch for a clean, bold look. Step 8. Add website name text. Let's direct people where to shop. On the left sidebar, click Text and select Add a subheading. Type www.watchstore.com to include the website. Change the color to white for a clean, standout look against our background. Then, click on the text, go to the Effects toolbar at the top, and pick an effect that feels relevant. I'm going with a subtle shadow to give it a slight lift, but you can choose one you like glow or outline. Position it near the bottom of the design for easy visibility. Step 9. Add a Buy Now button. Time to add a call to action. Go to the left sidebar and click on Elements. In the search bar, type Buy Now and hit Enter. Scroll through. I'm picking this sleek Buy Now button. Click it to add it to the canvas. Then change its color to match our background. Since we're using a sky blue gradient, let's pick a darker blue shade. Click the color box, adjust it to a deep blue, and confirm. Step 10. Add a 50% off sticker and shadow. Go to Elements, search 50% off, and pick a sticker. Adjust its size to fit nicely. Then search Shadow in Elements, choose a circle shadow, and place it under the sticker. Resize and tweak for a dynamic look. Step 11. Add only $20 text with a pink circle sticker. Click Text, add a subheading, and type only $20. Next, go to Elements, search Circle Sticker, and pick one. Change its color to a pink shade. Congrats! Your design is ready. Check that the watch, text, and button look perfect. Hit share, then download as a PNG for top quality. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this.